Okay, Assalamualaikum to Dr. Saleh. Here we want to present about our project here in okay. This is our project. Okay, my name is Muhammad Rahman. My BF20903.
My name is Muhammad Safir 20230.
My name is Nur Azizul Hakim Yusof, nama matrik CF220152.
My name is Raja Ahmad Faiz Raja Ahmad Fauzi. My matric number is CF220149.
And my name is Adib Saduddin Begawawi. My metric number is CF220201.
Okay, for the introduction, a fascinating and vital topic of interest in the real of material is composite material. Although composite material has long been used in engineering applications in addition to material and alloy, it is mostly because of their increased quality and performance rate. The categories and characteristics of various composite kinds such as fiber composite, particular composite, and lab are in the study of composite with the material. Additionally, cell element of a steel composite with the material through the design analysis of composite structure, taking into account elements like stress distribution, mechanism, storage. Okay. Next, about importance of composite. Composite material have gained importance in the field of the nice and construction various structures. Numerous benefits of material, especially strength to weight ratio, meaning they can provide significant strength and stiffness while being lightweight. Okay, for the number two, durability and corrosion resistant, which is composite material are highly resistant to environmental degradation, including corrosion, which is a major concern for traditional material like steel. Okay, for the last three, number three, with design flexibility, which is composite material offer a higher degree of design flexibility, allowing engineers to create complex shapes and structures that are not easily achievable with conventional material. Next.
Okay. For application of composite material in civil engineering, composite material are revolutionizing the design and construction of structure, offering enhanced strength, durability, and numbers of other benefits. This essay explores the deserved application of composite material in civil engineering, highlight their contribution to the industry. So for the number one, reinforced concrete structure. One of the primary application of composite material in civil engineering is in the reinforcement concrete of structure. So the number two, bridge construction. Composite material have found widespread use in construction of bridge. CFRP composite are employed to strengthen and rehabilitate existing concrete or steel bridge, effectively increase their load carrying carrying capacity and extending their service life. So for the number 3, nose barrier wall. Composite material including polymer-based composite and cementitious composite are used in the construction of noise barrier walls along highway and railway. This material offer excellent sound distribution properties, durability, and resistance to the weather. Okay, so for the problem statement, design and fabricate a composite plate by using any recycled material comprising of more than 8 ply or 8 layer as the term composite material are described. They are composite plates should comprise of more than 2 types of material. Any material ranging from wood piece, natural fiber, used cloth. Thickness of the composite plate should not be longer than 2 mm.
Okay, for the methodology, first we use aluminium as the first material, a chemical element with atomic number 13 and the symbol Al. Aluminium belongs to the boron group. By weight, it makes up around 8% of the solid surface of the earth because of how chemically reactive aluminium metal is. Natural examples are uncommon and only found in extreme reducing setting. Instead, it can be found in over 270 distinct minerals in combination. For the second material, we use zinc. Uh, for the second material, we use zinc, a spetal, a metallic chemical element with symbol Zn and atomic number 13. Is another name for zinc used in trade. Additionally, zinc and magnesium are chemically related in various ways. Zinc, on the other hand, gives good corrosion resistance, particularly against rain. Zinc has same stiffness as metal and elastic modulus properties as other die-castable material. For the third material, we use cardboard. Cardboard is a versatile material that is widely used for packaging, crafting, and various other applications. It is a paper-based product made from pressed layer of paper fiber. Cardboard is known for its strength and durability. The multiple layer of paper fiber create a sturdy structure that can withstand considerable pressure and weight. For the epoxy glue, epoxy are primarily used to create high-performance composite that have superior mechanical properties, resistant to corrosion liquid and environments, superior electrical properties, good performance at high temperatures, and good adhesion to substrate, or combination of the advantage. Epoxies are more challenging to utilize because of their higher viscosity than the majority of polyester resin. E modulus on stress and strain graph. Young modulus, that also called elasticity modulus, is a measure of the elasticity or extension limit of a material. It is mechanical property solid and linear elastic solid materials. Using Excel, the data from the laboratory will be inserted and plotting the graph. The value modulus of elasticity determined by find the slope of a curve from curve using linear equation. Y equal mx plus c, where m equals slope. Tensile specimen size, ASTM D638, according to ASTM D638 for tensile test, the specimen size is length 20 cm multiply width 2 cm multiply thickness 2 cm. For the tensile test procedure, specimen was placed in the grip of the universal testing machine at a specified grip separation and pulled until failure. The steps for this testing were as mentioned below. First, computer of universal testing machine is switched on. Second, a new open in the related software. Third, specimen was locked tightly between the grip. 4, the control panel set according to size and speed. Then the testing is started. 5, specimen is applied extensive load until specimen fail. And finally, a result of the testing is recorded in the computer.
Okay. For procedure, first, we must take the measure of all the our item to make sure all of the layer not measure than 2.5 cm, and then we mark the area that we want to cut, which is 20 cm and 20 cm long, 2 cm wide, and then we cut the material using the scissors. Okay, next. Okay, after we cut all our material, we using epoxy, show all the epoxy, the white, the red must be ratio 1:1. So we must remove layer to to make it, yeah. Okay. Uh, Glue. We make sure all the side of the material is covered. Okay. After we finish, after we finish, we take we will let it dry to make sure the material is strong bond, and we use yeah, and then we okay. Thank you.
Okay, now I will continue with the discussion part of our project. By testing our composite plate on laboratory, we can determine the elasticity value of Y modulus on stress and strain graph by plotting the data into the Excel. We can simply determine the Y modulus by referring to the linear equation Y equal to mx plus c, where we can determine the slope, which means the m value is equal to slope of the graph. So slope also is a value of the Y modulus. Okay, so you can see the specimen 1 has Y modulus 0.004 megapascal, specimen 2 and specimen 3. The R value is nearly equal to 1. So this slope is can be measured as a slope of the Y modulus. So next. Okay. For this data, we only inserted only 10 points because there are certain points that we can load from the data from the laboratory. So we only use the 10 points, so it cannot be defined approximately for the Y modulus. So we only got for specimen 1, 0.0044 megapascal, specimen 2, 0.0043 megapascal, and specimen 3, same as specimen 1, 0.0044 megapascal. So next. Somehow, from the data we obtained from the laboratory, we noticed that the maximum stress value is different for another plate that we shown in this table. The first plate is 82 megapascal for the maximum stress. Plate number 2, 102 megapascal, and plate number 3 only 12.1 megapascal. So you can see that it's been a major difference for the plate number 3. So we assume effect from the bad condition from the material, since we putting the composite material into this project. So the maximum stress for specimen 3 is only 12.1 MPa, which it cannot be used for this project, so it will be rejected. However, we only take the value from the plate number 1 and 2. So according to the aluminum material 66061, temper has a maximum ultimate tensile strength no more than 100 megapascal. So since our plate did not exceed the 150 megapascal, so it will be accepted for this project, because since our material also is the combination of the zinc, aluminum and cardboard, that it still not exceed the 150 megapascal. Okay, next. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. I hope you were satisfied for our explanation and presentation.
Thank you.